So, for us, I think understanding the problem on the ground and then being able to create or innovate or conceive a solution that is directly relevant and applicable and addresses it successfully is what is success. So let me give you an example here. So one of the things we understood in the drinking water sector was the need for increased accessibility. At all points in time, the human being always wants the water closer to one's own self. So even if it's in our kitchen, we want it to be in our room. If it's in our room, we want it to be by our bedside. If it's in our bedside, we want somebody to have poured it for us and given it to us. So there is this, we call it the greed for increased accessibility. And after understanding that, what we did was we created this, we decided to take water to people rather than have people walk up to the watering hole. And that's where we conceived and conceptualized a three-wheeler electric vehicle and a CNG variant that we developed, completely ESG compliant, that would actually be operated by under a hub and spoke model and deliver water deeper into communities to the doorstep of households. Now, this is something that we conceptualized. We thought that it was hugely relevant, worked on it for 3.5 years, and absolutely relentlessly, against all odds. I mean, imagine a water company, a water services company, that went down the automobile development route just because we thought that this was extremely relevant. And just about 3 weeks ago, the government of India picked our technology as one of 5 technologies to implement their $50 billion program in India. And that became the watershed moment in the lives of every member of the company, every member who's worked on this relentlessly. And for us, that is a huge win. That is not just a huge win because it vindicated what had envisioned, but it became a huge win because now this intervention, decentralized water distribution, is now going to become the order of the day. It's going to actually bypass and circumvent even the corroded pipelines that are already in place and this can actually be implemented in cookie cutter mode, creates jobs, social entrepreneurs, so on and so forth, leave alone water conservation, elimination of plastic, and so on. So I'm just saying that all of this adds up really, and to us is a success which now needs to be harnessed, which we need to kind of bring home, and we need to demonstrate at scale. And now the stage is perfectly set. So we have these conversations internally, and I keep telling the team that we have no more excuses to not go out and implement at scale. All this time we waited for something that we thought was missing. Finally, everything is laid out. So the mise en place in the kitchen is completely there. It's time to dish out the best wares and serve it to the world.